Hi guys, thanks for tuning into the Scan Tool Network. In this video it's a short demonstration of the iCarsoft CR Pro kit. The purpose of this video is really just to show you this tool in the real world, diagnosing a few warning lights that we've got here. So we're in an Audi at the minute, but it does work on a huge range of other makes and models. We've got a flashing glow plug, which is like an engine electrical fault. We've got an ABS light and an airbag light that we're going to show you diagnosing and resetting in this video. So if you are interested in this tool, please do use the link in the description below this video, because there are fakes, there are clones on the market, and they can damage your vehicle, so it's just not worth going down that route. So make sure you use the link in the description and it'll take you direct to the genuine product. Okay, so first of all, what we'll do is we've got this plugged into the diagnostic port. We'll click into diagnostics and we're going to go through and select our manufacturer, which is an Audi. It does cover a huge range of makes and models, this tool. It's a really good tool. It's been a really good seller over the last few years as well. Okay, so we'll go system selection. Instead of selecting the vehicle, you can just select your system if you want, which is an easier thing to do, I believe. So we've got a flashing glow plug light, which is commonly misdiagnosed as a glow plug fault. It can be in some cases, but it's not always the case. A flashing coil glow plug basically means that there's a fault in the electrical system. So, and I'll show you that because we've got the flashing glow plug light here, and we're not going to find any glow plug warning lights. Codes. We're getting a U111300 fault there, and that is basically a communication fault. So that is like something else that we need to look at, but that's not relating to this particular fault here. So we've got fuel injector 1 cylinder open. Now that's because we simulated this fault. We actually created the fault, so that's not really a genuine fault, but that is what you would see if you did have a genuine fault. If that makes sense, probably not. We've unclipped the sensor for cylinder 1 to create the fault, to create the warning light. Then we've plugged it back in to show you that even fixing the fault won't get rid of the warning light, and it won't get rid of the code. So you do need the code reader to actually reset them. In most cases, in any case. Sometimes you can get away with it if it's an engine fault. But anyway, I'll show you this tool resetting that. So we click on clear fault memory and watch the flashing glow plug light just disappear when I click that. There we go, that has stopped, and we've got a raise operation done on screen. If we go back, we can go now into a different module, so we can go and look at the brake control module, which is where the ABS light lives. And we go to the fault code, same again, it's a simulated fault. In that we've got the communication again. That's the one, the C101B14 front right ABS wheel speed sensor. So we opened the connection for the ABS sensor just to simulate the fault, again just to show you what it would be like in the real world. So generally if you've got an ABS fault, it's going to be because of one of the 4 ABS sensors. Not always, but generally because of a faulty ABS sensor. Okay, so that's what the case was here. So we put everything back together again. We'll click on a clear fault memory. Just keep an eye on the ABS light when I do this. There we go, that's gone. It has re-highlighted the TPMS warning, but that's another story for another day, so don't worry about that. And then we can go back and we can click into the airbag system this time, and again I'll show you this. We just unclipped the airbag connection, we connected it back together, which triggered the fault, triggered the warning light. That's the fault there, that's another communication error. So that's what we were getting. We clipped it back together, and I'm going to show you clear fault memory. Just keep an eye on the airbag light when I do this. This one takes a couple of seconds longer actually. There we go, airbag light is gone, a raise operation done. So that's all thanks to the iCarsoft CR Pro kit, which is a fantastic kit really. As I say, it's been a great seller for a number of years now. It covers a huge range of makes and models. In fact what I'll do is I'll just show you this. May as well, seeing as I'm here. So we go BMW. Well, I'll just scroll through really fast just to make this video as quick as possible. No doubt you can spot your manufacturer. And there we are, back to the start. It also does a few service functions as well, which is worth noting as well. Alright, so as I say, if you are interested in the tool or you want to make sure that this tool is suitable for your vehicle, just send your VIN number or your vehicle details to these guys and they will have a look at that. and check it for you. But it's always in stock, and like I say, use the link in the description because that will take you to the genuine and official product. You don't want to go down the route of getting a fake or a clone or a copy unit, because I've seen the damage they can do and it's not pretty. Okay, thanks for watching and I hope it helps.